probably didn't like seeing me throw away my old batteries any more than I did, right?
It probably really makes you sad to think that I'm just one out of more than 300 million people in this country alone that's doing the very same thing.
And when you add it all up, that's about 180,000 tons of spent batteries finding their way in landfills nationwide.
Not only is this a tremendous loss of natural resources, but one day every landfill is going to get old and eventually fail.
And when the rainwater starts getting into it, all those metals are going to dissolve away,
And you know it will probably wind up in the water that we drink.
so what can we do?
Well, I've been thinking about that for the last few years now, and so have the other members of my team.
I'm Scott Vollner, and president of Catalytic Innovations.
We've developed a brand new way to recycle that can recover all of the metals in an alkaline battery.
A safe, economic, and more importantly, an environmentally friendly way. But that was the easy part.
The hard part is up to you. We're going to need a lot of help making sure that your batteries can get to us instead of going into a landfill somewhere.
And to make your task easier, we've come up with GoRecycle. Check out our link below so you won't miss out on any of our progress updates, and especially our first day discount when we launch in the next few weeks. We'd love to have your support, so don't forget to sign up.